Have you ever wondered how certain YouTube channels manage to amass millions of subscribers and views? What's their secret to success? Well, get ready because today we're going to unlock those secrets and skyrocket your YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels to viral stardom. Are you tired of spending endless hours editing and filming videos? Or perhaps you're new to editing and feeling overwhelmed? Well, here's the exciting part. Now you can create professional quality videos in no time using AI technology. Introducing AI Shorts, a type of short video created with the help of artificial intelligence. These AI Shorts have a tremendous potential to go viral on platforms like YouTube Shorts, attracting millions of views and subscribers. Just take a look at the incredible success of the Instagram page we mentioned earlier. By utilizing AI-generated images and captivating voiceovers, they quickly gained millions of views. This innovative approach is the key to their astounding achievement. But they're not the only ones. Sambuca, a famous YouTube channel, has also managed to amass millions of views simply by uploading shorts. It's truly remarkable how this type of content has become a powerful tool for viral growth. So, my dear viewers, I invite you to stay with me throughout this video as we uncover the secrets behind crafting these mesmerizing AI-generated videos. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this knowledge will undoubtedly take your videos to the next level. Get ready to harness the power of AI and unlock your potential for viral success. To get started, we need to follow a few simple steps, which is a piece of cake. First, go to ChatGPT and sing up to be able to use it. For our script, we use ChatGPT, so I write 10 motivational sayings of famous people. All right, now I choose 5 of them. Now the script is ready. Next, we need to go to a website called This website will read our script in best way possible. Now I pass the script here, and I choose a drive to the website to be able to save it. But I use IVM, which allows me to download it without subscription. If you can't use it, try using a free text-to-speech. Now 2 easy steps left, which we do both on a website called Hayden. Here we could generate an image or an upload section. You can upload your own image, and this is how we generate images. But don't forget, first, you need to sign up to the website. Just by signing up, you can make 2 YouTube Shorts or Reels for free without caption. I suggest you using temporary emails instead of buying website plans if you are short on money. We want I write Cristiano Ronaldo dark background. After about a minute, you see generated image. Now select the image you want, and then click on Audio Script, upload your audio file, and click on Submit. Now wait until the video gets ready. But don't forget, while uploading the video, focus on title, description, and the tags.